Colloids are the mixture solutions of the intermediate properties of suspension and true solution. Some examples are like milk, butter, and muddy water. So let's start in detail the study of colloids.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study the third type of mixture solution, that is colloidal solutions. Colloidal solutions are the solutions which are you can say the intermediate part of true solutions and suspensions. So let's start in detail. The first point of colloidal solution is they appear to be homogeneous, but it is a heterogeneous mixture. They appear to be homogeneous because they have the properties, you can say the particle size is smaller than the suspension but bigger than the true solutions. That is why they appear homogeneous, but it is a heterogeneous mixture. See, particles are uniformly distributed in medium. Like suspension, the particles remain suspended. So particle size is smaller than suspension but greater than the true solution. So it is intermediate particle size of true solution and suspension. The next part is particles cannot be seen by naked eyes because they are smaller than the suspension. Okay, they are not big enough. They are big enough than the true solutions, but not big enough than as the suspensions. So easily the particles cannot be seen. Now it scatters a beam of light, and it is called Tyndall effect. The Tyndall effect, which is very easily can be seen by whenever the light ray enters in our home in any dark room, then the rays of light which we see and the particles of dust moving here and there, so that motion of the particles is called Brownian motion. And this effect of entering light through the holes of the windows and doors, and the effect of scattering of light by the particles present, the dust particles present in the room, that is called Tyndall effect. That is scattering of light, and it can be easily seen like in the forest canopy, like the people in the movies, when we see that in the forest the sunlight is entering through the in between the leaves of the trees, and it is looking hazy, then it is called Tyndall effect. Colloidals are quite stable. Particles will not settle down if kept undisturbed. Like suspension particles were bigger, so they settle down, but colloidals do not settle down and they remain suspended for every time. They do not settle down, and there is no effect of filtration because the particle size is smaller than the suspension, so it will not be filtered easily. But the particles of colloidal solution can be separated by the method is called centrifugation. That we will study in detail when we will study the separation methods. So this is the main properties of colloidal solution. How can we determine that any solution is colloidal?
By this picture, it is clear that if light of rays passing through the true solution, then it is not visible. But in the solution, in the colloid, it is visible.
Now we are going to study about the components of colloid. The components of colloid, like any mixture, there is a solvent and solute particles. So the solute particles are known as dispersed phase, which disperse throughout the medium, and the dispersion medium is the solvent, means in which the solute particles are suspended. So here we will not call it solute and solvent. We will name them as dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Now state. The colloids are obtained in many states like solid, liquid and gases. All three states are present. Some examples are milk, butter, jelly and mud. Easily now you can relate all the properties I have explained, like milk, butter, jelly and mud. If you keep them for a very long time, they will not settle down, but they remain throughout in the solution. You cannot separate them by filtration. Okay, so these all, but when we do the churning of milk, we get the butter. So that is the reason of, that is the effect of centrifugation process that I will explain in later videos.
These are some examples of colloids which are in liquid, gas or solid phases with dispersed medium and dispersion medium explained. Thank you.